What's up, y'all? My name is Saint and welcome to the vlog again. Black Studios, production, all that jazz. So last week we didn't get to finish the bag. As you guys have seen, we worked on front of the bag. We also did back of the bag as well. And now I finally stuffed up the side seam all the way, pretty big. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to zigzag stitch the back ends and then I'm gonna attach this to the bag, the whole brim of the bag, and then I'm gonna attach the back to it. So let's see what it looks like now. What I did is that I did a zigzag stitch for the bottom, and then I ended up just doing a cross stitch because it looks kind of nice. I don't know, I like it. I did it on both sides, boom, boom. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna attach this to the front face of the bag, and then we're going to work it around, and then I'm gonna start doing a straight stitch all around, and then attach the back. Let's see how this turns out. I'm excited. Alright, so here we go. I sewed the side seam all the way around, so this is kind of what's gonna be what the bag's looking like. Pretty excited for this now. Just gotta push it out and then it should look more shape. I'm gonna now work on the strap. It's gonna pretty much go to hand. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm babbling. I'm gonna make the handle now and attach it to the bag. I gotta figure out the opening of the bag itself. I'm not sure yet. I believe I'm gonna have bag handle on this little latch here, but that's a very small opening. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Get your hand in there. I'm not sure yet, but I will be figuring that out, so stay tuned. But this is what the opening would look like. It looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. It gives me a really cool feeling. So I'm gonna get to that, see how it looks, and then we'll see how I finesse it.
They're literally so
So I have the strap completed. I'm going to take a risk here. I'm going to do a unfinished raw edge strap here. So which means that the whole outside is going to be raw and unfinished with the bag. It's a risk. I like the way it kind of looks, so I'm just going to roll with it. Yeah. But besides that, straps are done. I'm going to attach the straps to the bag now. We're going to see how that looks. And then we're going to sew the back to the front. And then it's going to be almost complete. I just got to make the opening and then we're going to be all done. Let's see how this goes. So guys, this is the bag. As you guys have seen, this is the sample. So a lot of the things that I did end up doing, I have ways of improving. I'm only gonna be making 3 of these bags. So they will be on the website very soon. I'm not sure yet when, can't guarantee, but I gotta make 3 more of these. And as you guys have seen the process, it's gonna take some time. But I hope you guys like this bag, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you go shop online and maybe you might get, who knows? I don't know. I can't tell you what happened. What I do know is I have all control of how many I make and how many people get it. There's only gonna be 3. So let's hope you guys are lucky or not. But let's get to the rest of the stuff that we're gonna be working on. Probably gonna be a short video. It's been a long week. As you see, making this was already stressful. I didn't even get to show you guys the back. I haven't put any logos on the back because this is the sample. Yeah. Alright, so the next thing we're gonna be working on is another pair of pants. This time it's gonna be for my boss at work. So she wanted her pants to be a olive green. It's kind of hard to find this fabric. So it's like a Japanese denim. It's got like this wax finish, which is, it won't really pick it up on the camera, but you can see that this side's dark and this side's a little bit lighter. The wax finish is usually supposed to be on the outside, but I don't really like wax finish on pants. Portion looks a lot better. So just like every process, if you've seen from previous videos, I'm starting off pockets, then I'm about to do the waistband and straps and all that stuff. All the little things I'm gonna be sewing are laid out pretty much. I already pinned them up if you want to look. Boom. You know what I'm saying? They're all pretty much pinned up. So I'm gonna start sewing those little things, and then I don't have full amount of fabric that I needed for the pants, so I gotta reorder some more fabric at the end of the week. And then when the rest of that comes, these pants are gonna be finished. But I have a whole bunch of projects that I have to work on, so we're just gonna go back and forth. I'm not gonna get it all done this week, so you guys are gonna have to just catch it next week as well. But we're gonna start sewing.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Listen, if you're not willing to downgrade your lifestyle for a year, for a lifestyle you want forever, you care too damn much about what other people think about you. I hope you catch that.
Unfortunately, I don't have the fabric for the rest of those pants, so that's a pending project at this moment in time. I have to order more fabric. It was because of, like, when you order fabric online, it's kind of complicated. I didn't understand the width of the fabric itself, so I didn't have enough. So I gotta order more. That's whatever. So we're just gonna work on some other stuff. I'm about to cut the video pretty short, so we're just gonna work on another pair of pants as well. Some white denims for a friend of mine. We'll get to that, and then I'll probably cut the video after that. All right, guys. So I have everything cut out, laid out. It's gonna look a little disorganized. I'm sorry. This is all the stuff laid out. I have everything cut out, ready to sew. Everything's pinned up right over there. All these things I'm gonna be sewing, and then after that, I'm gonna cut the video. It's gonna be a shorter video than usual. I had a busy week. That bag. That bag, that killed me. It was a very hard thing to sew. So I'm glad that we got it finished, and I can't wait to start making more. But we're gonna just do those little things that we're gonna sew, and then I'm gonna call it a video. Alright, so that's the video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. We'll finish the pants next week, and make sure you guys like, subscribe. Like I said, I'm dropping a video every Monday, 8 o'clock sharp, you know what I'm saying, Eastern time, Standard Time, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, again, I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe, share it if you like it, you know. I hope my videos inspire you guys to, you know, get up and do stuff. If you don't want to be a designer, if you want to be a designer, all that stuff, it's all about the hustle, all about the grind. Make sure you guys go in the links down low if you want to go shop and buy some of the stuff that I've been working on. Everything that I do is pretty much handmade. So yeah, again, make sure you guys go check some stuff out. Appreciate it and everything. I love the love. So we're here to share all the love, and happy Valentine's Day.